Hi, baby.
Oh, God, I did it again. Hi, Lovey. How'd you sleep? You sleep very well. You sleeping late, huh? You sleeping late, huh?
Good morning, Mr. Sunshine and Rainbows.
How are you? Yeah.
You have a good night's sleep? You woke up several times, though.
Why'd you wake up screaming at midnight?
Good morning, little baby.
Mama had to rock you back to sleep, huh? Mama had to rock you back to sleep? Yeah. So excited. It's the morning. So excited. Can I pick you up? Yeah. Oh, this is his new stretcher pose. Oh, yeah. Stretch it out. Oh, let me pick him up. He'll be happy when he gets picked out, too. Yes. Say good morning, Daddy. Say good morning. Say I'm a big boy.
Good morning, baby.
I smell like urine. Yeah, good morning.
It's a wobbly head.
Look, babes, you ready to eat? Because Mommy... Oh, I don't hope we're not still on video, Ann.
We are. Look, I want to see him stretch one more time so you can put this on YouTube for your mom.
Yeah. Say, Grammy, it's for you. Wow.
Tell us about your evening, baby.
I'm going to be very hungry in a second. Yeah. Where's the boob? Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, he's got it.
All right. Bye, little Deacon.